Welcome to Control Access to Records. In this module, we'll explore the intricate world of record-level security in Salesforce. By the end of this unit, you'll be equipped to precisely control who can view and edit individual records within your organization. Record-level security is about determining which individual records users can view and edit within the objects they have access to in their profile. It involves asking crucial questions about access requirements. Let's kick things off by highlighting the 4 ways to control access to records and understanding when to use each of these record-level security controls. Org-wide defaults specify the default level of access users have to each other's records. It's about setting the baseline. Then comes role hierarchies, ensuring that managers have access to the same records as their subordinates. A hierarchy representing data access levels. Sharing rules come into play as automatic exceptions to org-wide defaults, allowing specific groups of users access to records they don't own. Lastly, manual sharing lets record owners share individual records with other users, providing a more granular control option. Understanding the interaction of these controls is crucial. A user's baseline permissions on any object are determined by their profile. Permission sets and org-wide defaults further refine access. Now let's dive deeper into org-wide sharing. Org-wide defaults set the baseline access level, whether it's private, public read-only, public read-write, or controlled by parent. Ask questions about each object to determine the appropriate org-wide sharing settings. Fantastic! You've delved into the fundamentals of controlling access to records. In the next unit, we'll explore advanced strategies to optimize data access in Salesforce. From Setup, click Setup again. In the Quick Find box, enter Sharing Settings. Click on Sharing Settings. Click Edit beside Default Sharing Settings. In the Organization-Wide Sharing Defaults section, edit the options. You can grant access and choose Default Internal Access. You can set objects access to public or private. You can also provide access using hierarchies. After granting permissions, click Save. The customization you have made based on that, your org-wide sharing default setting is now set. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more Salesforce adventures.